Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to Max lecture series. So in this session, we'll be solving one more function with respect to triple integral. If you observe the triple integration limits, first one is defined as 0 to 1, and second one is defined as 0 to y, and third one is defined as 0 to yz. Now while starting the integration, it is very important to observe from which we have to start the integration, from where we are going to end up the integration. Now if you observe the first limit, see there, I am starting from here. First one is traveling from 0 to yz. Yz means what? Which one is left here? From this I can say the first limit has been defined for x 0 to y into z, because the missing variable is x in the first integration. So for the x we have defined the limit. Now the missing variables are y and z. Let us see. If you observe the second integration is traveling from 0 to y. So given it is in terms of y, so which is missing here? Z is missing here. So first one is with respect to x. So in the second integration, z is missing out of the two missing variable. So I have to take z. With respect to z, we have to integrate the second function. By default, the third one is going to be y only. That's all. So this is how we are identifying the limits. First, you have to check which one is missing. You have to start from the beginning. So always start from the first integration which is near to the function. After that, you can go one by one, such that you will get the clarity. So simply after identifying the missing variable is your integration limit. For the missing variable only you have to start the first integration. That's all. So here in the first limit, in the first integration x is missing. So I am starting the integration with respect to x. 2 is a constant. If we integrate 2 with respect to dx, it will be simply giving x only. Limits are traveling from 0 to y into z simply. So I am keeping other integrations as it is, 0 to y and 0 to 1, I think. Yes. And still we have to integrate this function with respect to dy and dz. So from here we can say further 0 to 1. See there, if I will substitute upper limit, it will become 2yz. Lower limit will going to be 0. So I am ignoring that, 0 to y. Still we have to complete our integration with respect to y as well z. So let us complete it with respect to z first, because we know, see there, first we have to integrate with respect to x, after that we have to integrate with respect to z. So if we start this integration with respect to z, what will be obtaining? Integration with respect to z will be giving 2y is constant when we are doing the integration with respect to z. So z will become z square by 2, and then we have to substitute the limits 0 to y. After that we have to finish this integration with respect to y. That is the last step. Let us continue. 0 to 1, 2. Sorry, this 2 will get cancelled out. I am not going to consider it. Leave it. So y, if we substitute the upper limit, it will become simply y square. Lower limit as well as usual it is giving 0. So I am ignoring it. Finally, what will happen? Y square will become y power 3. If we integrate y power 3, it will give you y power 4 upon 4. So the limits are traveling from 0 to 1. Upper limit will be giving us 1 by 4. Lower limit will be giving us 0. So once again ignore the effect of lower limit. So this is going to be the final answer for the given triple integration. So always in triple integration, start from the first integration which is near to the function, identify the missing variable. So missing variable is x, then integrate this function with respect to the missing variable. Missing variable is x. I did the integration with respect to x first. After that, when we identify the first missing variable, then in the second and the third we have to leave this first one. See, we identified the limit for x, then skip x, go to the second. Now keep y and z with you. Check the integration limits of the second limit. Given it is in terms of y, so z is missing. I have to integrate this function z. Then you can go with the third one which is missing. Obviously last, the one and only missing variable is y. So the final limit is going to be with respect to y only. This is how we are doing the triple integration. So this is all for this lecture. In the next lecture we will be coming up with one more question. Thank you all.